wild, market alive, crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up, holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in, smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato, give me the night.
Order filled.
Risk on point, never alone, holy mochaccino, let it
Order filled.
This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato, give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino. That's the call. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen.
Order filled.
Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy mochaccino. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy mochaccino.
All right, fellow traders, welcome back, guys, man. Sorry I'm a little late. Oh, let's slay this market, guys. What's up? What's up? Good morning, guys. All right, let's get it going, guys. Let's get it going. Okay, so do we get some news this morning? We had a chance to break it underneath the VWAP that would have potentially taken us down. Would have been a really a bearish day coming into today, but I think we got some news that kind of ripped this market back into the 650s. Right off the bat. So I don't know, maybe we try to get a bounce back into 720. We'll see, guys. It looks a little bullish. This is my previous trade I got in, and I had to restart my computer, and then apparently the trade is still in this. So well, no, it's just down about 35. So I might think about exiting this trade and look at a new setup. In the meantime, guys, we got to bounce off the 38.2 Fibonacci. So what's up, bros? What's up, guys? Rules Crypto, what's up? Andre, Crucial, J Trader, Funny Fact, what's up? James, we are back. That's right, sir. Guys. What is up, guys? Good morning. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. Did you guys have a great sleep? Everybody excited for this morning? It is going to be a shorter day. It's going to be a half day. I don't know exactly when they close, though. I think 1 o'clock Eastern time is the when this market close. I think. All right. I'm hopeful that the market at least makes some moves. All right, so 130, some are 1 and some are 130. Okay, I understand that. What am I looking for? I'm looking for that 23.6 to be that level of resistance, of course. And then we're also looking for I'm gonna be looking at this. Yeah, so we got that level. I mean, now that we actually got a bounce off the VWAP, I'm just really kind of thinking maybe we try to get a bounce back into the 850 ultimately. But now we're gonna have to really try to hold this 660. If we cannot hold this 660 area, which is where we are right now, then we have a good chance of a rollover down back into the VWAP, right? We are barely red in the market, guys. Down only about 0.25%. So what do you mean you got cooked today? Search and so what's up? Wisdom Fear, what's going on, brother, man? Yeah, Canada rocked last night, hey? I didn't watch that game because I was streaming live, but I saw the replay. Man, they absolutely destroyed Qatar. Korea, they kind of sucked. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, Canada was way better, way better. I don't know what they're playing. Best game of the year, absolutely, man. Wisdom Fear, yeah, let's go. Trader 007 NQ, what's up, guys? Welcome, man. Oh my god, it's crazy, guys. All right, okay. So first thing first, I've got to log on to my Coin Tower. Do not get a chance to do that. Kind of funny that last night I got into a lot of swing trading overnight with Apex accounts, and there was a whole bunch of accounts that I hit DLL a couple of days ago that I got it all back this morning. So grateful to see all my accounts on the let me see if I can actually get onto my Rhythmic as well to kind of show you what I'm talking about. That was crazy though. What a wild
Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up.
What was that? Okay. So I'm having trouble trying to get onto my rhythmic. There's been a lot of problems lately with Quant Tower and rhythmic, to be honest, lately. Not happy. Crazy. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but definitely did have a lot of problems. So the market's kind of chopping here. The market's kind of chopping here, guys. Okay, so let me see. We are trying to hold. We are trying to hold this, but I think at some point, kind of, we break it down. Do we break it down into the 630s, or do we try to get a bounce, guys, in this market? Market having a little bit of a tough time.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna start the day trying to short this for micro scalp here. Let's see if we can actually get something out of this. So for the market, it's not giving us that sort of a pullback that we've been looking for.
Order filled.
We are getting some pullback right now.
Order filled. Order
there we
filled.
go. There we go, guys. One more to go. Oh, I still have one more. There we go. What's up, guys? What's up? Good morning. Good morning, fam. Let's try to slay this market, guys, today. BTC near high of the day. Let's take a look at the BTC, guys, for a second. 63,000. Okay, well, not bad. Vinsoya, what's up, guys? All right, I'm gonna try to trade a lot today before the market close. Hopefully we get a chance to do something.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm gonna do 2 micros at a time. All right, 2 micros at a time. How many more I have to trade? I've got this 4 accounts, so let's try to see, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go. Come on, push it up. One more.
Order filled.
One more.
Order filled.
All right, I'm holding this last piece here right now. What am I looking for? Let me just take a look, guys. I came in a little late. Let's take a look at this market. We got some levels we want to watch. The 700 area will be the next level to kind of watch, guys. I'm gonna draw a little box there to make sure we know which levels we're talking about. Right, guys, welcome everybody. Hopping in, guys. You got a lot of things to do here today. This morning, guys, we got not only trading to make some monies for us, but we got some giveaways happening here today, as promised last night. If Korea loses, we had to do something about it today, and I guess it's that time of the day, guys. Holy macchino! Ooh, not a good day for me. Am I happy? No, I'm not. But I'll try to be happy, but I'm not. I'm not. All right, guys, let's draw this little beautiful trend line here. It looks like a little bullish, bull flag kind of forming. Now, like I said again, we want to be able to hold the 630, because if we cannot hold the 630, then we got a little problem here. Okay, 700 area, guys. Let's try to see what happens. it almost kind of feels like we may try to kiss this 700 area, and then we are obviously gonna have to see if we try to pierce through that. But for now, I'm gonna be watching this level as a main key area, the first little level that we got to get past in order to see ourselves back into 850. One second. Okay, so we are kind of chopping here in the range. So what I'm gonna try to do is I want to see if I can actually place my limit orders. Okay, so I'm gonna place my limit orders and see how it kind of plays out. Very tight range so far today. So with that in mind, I'm gonna try to be tight from my order standpoint as well. Second. How's my morning? Well, I had a terrible night yesterday, thanks to Mr. Korea.
Order filled.
Okay, so I am ready now. Take a look and see. Let me see if I can actually get into my rhythmic though. Okay, so we're really chopping hard, guys. We're really chopping hard right now. Hard. This almost kind of feels like a Korea game. Korea. Very unhappy with the game last night, guys. I'm very unhappy. Very disappointed. Miss K in the house. What's up, Miss K? Okay, guys. 1 second. Sorry, guys. I kept missing out reading the chat. I'm sorry. Slow grind based on the EMA. Search and sell. Yeah. So, I mean, I'm also kind of thinking we lean more to the upside here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure my socks is getting destroyed for sure. I'm not even gonna look at it. Yes, let's go, Bowser. The payout land finally. Yes, sir. Let's go. I love it. Music to my ears. Bowser. Let us go, guys. All right. So what am I looking at right now? I mean, the market is really choppy. So honestly, there's really no nothing that I should be doing at this point. We're not even moving 10 points, guys. I think at some point we break. I just don't know in which direction it's gonna go. The probability for this going kind of pushing higher, slightly higher in my opinion, but I do not want to discount the fact that we also could get a pullback here down. Right, we got the VWAP here at 590. We may try to retest the low before we actually got a pump in the market. So anything's possible right now. Just got to be a little cautious and careful, especially if you're trading your funded account. Now, I may try to move into my Billinox Evals. I wonder. I may try to do that right now. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I'm trying to see what accounts I should be trading today. Something that I can go a little more aggressively. I've got day trader as well that I'm day trader and alpha I can trade, but yeah, I could try to trade. I'm actually gonna move this and kind of leave it here. See if I can actually use this half this portion. See if I can actually use this. Let's see if I can do that right here. Oh, it's gone. Okay, there we go.
Order filled.
Oh, there we go, guys. The first reaction is pretty hard. Okay, so I went short on DT. Oh, there's something I was supposed to look at. I completely forgot. I don't know what it was. Oh yeah, that's just guys, just 1 second. Just bear with me, everybody. Looks like we're kind of leaning more to the upside. I think that's what I kind of see at the moment, guys. But again, can we not get a pullback? We could. So I'm on a smaller size, right? So I'm going to try to scale in as we try to get a bounce in the market, right? Right? Smaller size, scale in, get a bounce, scale in, average, and see this market kind of pull back into the 660s. and then maybe give us that further continuation of a fallback into the 630s. We'll see how this thing kind of plays out. Right now, I'm neutral. At the moment, I'm neutral, guys. All right, so Billinox market close 1 o'clock, right? So I think pretty much, I think you're kind of safe. You're majority of the traders, you're kind of protected. If you what do you call this? If you cancel all your orders by, say, 1 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern time, right? Okay, so I was kind of thinking about trading Billinox Evals, but don't think I should because I already have a couple passed already, so don't think that's something that I want to be trading right now. So we'll take it off. Billinox off the chart. Let's take a look at something else. So okay, so one thing first, I want to pass this trade day. These are end of day accounts, and then we'll try to move back into the take profit trader, so I can actually trade some take profit trader accounts. Also, I do have I've got to trade the Onyx to. I've got to trade some Onyx too, yeah. So I got some accounts to be trading here. The market is very slow. It's slower than last night, guys. Incredible. I think the days are kind of flipped. Last night was crazy, guys. Man, I did some really solid trades on my Apex funded accounts. And these are accounts that I hit DLL too. Crazy. But oh yeah, I see the reason why I try to get onto Apex. Yeah, I see the reason why. Oh, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna try to get it on again right now. Guys, we got a Take Profit Trader account giveaway here today. So type in exclamation tiger. Don't forget to smack the like, everybody, if you can. If you guys want to support the channel, thank you so mucho. Gracias, amigos. Oh, what happened? My order just got canceled? Oh, I just got filled. Okay. I may try to pass this right now as you speak. All right, nice little pullback here. I kind of like what I see, but just because you get a pullback here, that doesn't make this market entirely too bearish at the moment. Still, yet we haven't broken the structure overall from a larger time frame, so.
Order filled.
Look, guys, this is all the profits I made yesterday. Last night. Overnight swing. I lost one. This was individual trading. All these are individual trading, but I got in. I did swings overnight. So I did one or two at a time, and I kept swinging short as the market kept pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. These are all the profits I made. And these are all micro as well, guys. So all this, I don't know how much this is due. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7,000 and one down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And these are all accounts I hit DLL as well. And I kind of got it back. So I'm going to get it off right now. 1 second. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm in no position at the moment. So not a bad swing last night. It kind of saved me grief this morning. Well, I kind of got a little lucky because you see, if you just really take a look last night, guys, I mean, let's believe it or not, last night, if you just take a look, guys, we just kept grinding down. Let's take a look, guys. Where was it again? Right? I mean, there was absolutely no reason to kind of worry about trailing, because if you just take a look, guys, it was what again? The soccer game was, I think, somewhere here, and then the soccer ended. So I was swing trading overnight, late night overnight, right from here, right from the Korea game. So I kept shorting, scaling in, right, with the micros. And you honestly, you never really got any sort of a bounce to kind of get concerned about, the trailing, right, at this point. So, man, kind of got really lucky there all the way, guys, into like 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, guys, 12 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, luckily I kind of ended somewhere here. And then I never saw this coming. I never saw this bounce, which was obviously while I was dreaming in a dream world. And look at this crazy bounce we got. Wow, man. Crazy. Thank God I was not in that. I was not part of that at all. So I was not part of that. Yeah, so that's a huge deal. That's a huge deal because I hit DLN on a whole bunch of them, and I got it all back. So I kind of got, I would say I kind of got a little lucky there. So I'm gonna have to just keep working towards trying to get. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start trading micros, maybe 1 or 2 micros now, and no scaling in at all on my Apex accounts because it's tough when you have a DLL. So I'm gonna go really slow with all those accounts now going forward. And then I also have Bulanox that I traded too. The Bulanox, man, that's another one. I also what do you call this? So Bulanox as well. I hold on 1 second. The Bulanox also I did too. Right, this is down, but if you just take a look, I have here. I hit $600, and then I hit another one here, $700, and that was overnight as well. So I had like $700 on each of those accounts, on the Bulanox funded accounts too. So I would say I kind of got a little lucky, to be honest, but I'll take it. You know, sometimes you need luck. Sometimes. Okay, so in the meantime, guys, now I'm really kind of thinking about what to do because we only have about 2 more, really only about 2 more hours to go. The market closes here at my time at about 11 o'clock, so we still have about 3 more hours to go. A little less than 3 more hours to go, and then so we'll keep trading till the market closes, but. I'm kind of thinking what to do here. I do want to pass this what do you call this trade days. So by the time we get to Sunday, we got this funded accounts kind of going. I am getting very unlucky though with trade day. I lost the funded account that I had $3,000 profits on it, which obviously kind of really sucks, but very unlucky. I don't know. This feels like Asia session be belly button. What's up, brother? All right, guys. All right, if this is how it's going to be, guys, I'm gonna have to. You know, one thing. The only thing that I'm really concerned about right now is that what if we get a massive pop? I don't want to be compromising these accounts. You know what I mean? This is definitely not the accounts that I want to be compromising at this point. So maybe, man. Okay, hold on. Let me just do a little bit of a change in the strategy here. All right. So hopefully I don't get cooked. Hopefully I don't get cooked, guys. I'm gonna try to do micro scalping here, right? Micro scalping. Assuming that we are not going to get a breakout. Assuming we are going to stay within that channel, right? Right, and then I'm gonna try to see if I can actually do a little bit of a micro scalping here with the mini contracts, right? And see how this thing kind of plays out. The only thing that I'm a little concerned about is what if we get something like this suddenly, all of a sudden, out of nowhere. And if this is how it's going to be, then I'm gonna get cooked. You know what I mean? This is where I'm getting a little concerned about. So overall, from last night into this morning, including everything that I've done, overnight swings and overnight trading, I am red on one account, $800 on one of my Apex account, and then I lost one account last night. I think during Globex, I think I lost one account, and then I'm up on like 15 accounts, 15 funded accounts. So 15 funded accounts with an average about $1,000. Overnight swing. I mean, the best thing is when you get and when you get this sort of a move, it makes it so much easier when you're especially trading the trading drawdown accounts. You know, riding the trend, it's always nice because then you don't really have to be too overly concerned with the trading. The only time when you have to get really concerned about trading is when you have this sort of a chop, like a couple of 100 points up and down, up and down. But when you have a complete trending day, right, like this, you get a nice, beautiful, clean move to the downside and a nice little clean move to the upside as well. Here, this is when the trailing drawdown kind of works out handy. All right, everybody. Man, I mean, I'm placing my limit orders within that 30 points range, and yet it's not even moving. Crazy. Do I have to try to move to trailing? Oh, sorry, tick chart right now? This is worse than Asia, like you said. All right, let's see if we. I do not want to see an extended move, because that's gonna hurt. I guess I'm waiting. Well, I'm gonna try to long on a pullback, and I'm gonna try to short on the pop, with an expectation that we are gonna be in that range bound, in a very tight range bound. If that is not the case, then I will be in a little trouble, but we'll see. I'm adjusting my limit order as well, accordingly to how this price action kind of moves. Oh, and we have a US Open too, golf. Guys, man, this summer is jam-packed with a lot of exciting stories. We got the World Cup, we got the US Open. Can this get any better, guys? The only thing that's kind of missing is a lot of payouts. All right, so man, this is crazy, guys. I mean, is this nobody trading at all? Is that what it is? Like, I'm getting nervous to even try to step into this. We got this little trend line. We're gonna be watching that, right? We want to be watching this trend line. We want to be watching the support and the resistance levels too. So I do this little box here. That's the resistance. That's the support. We got the first level of resistance, R1 and S1 as well here. So we'll try to see, guys. Got a nice little trend line, kind of support holding. So let's try to see if we can actually get a bounce off this level. I'm looking for 100. Well, I'm looking for 5-10 points range. So I'm not really looking for something crazy. Holy! You've got to be kidding. Okay, so are we gonna break it down? We have a possible break to the downside, guys. You know, I mean, this was something that I was a little concerned about. What if we try to stay within the channel, but then suddenly we break it? And this is what I'm kind of talking about right now, guys. All right, what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna move back to my MNQ. I'm really trying to see if I can actually use the MNQ, because I'm getting pretty close to passing all of these, right? So I don't want to mess it up, to be honest.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, so I'm gonna look for this little pullback here. Give us the little flush down. Well, not a flush down, but I mean, give us the little fakey a pullback. Oh. Yeah, it is too choppy. So I'm gonna, like, especially when the market is very slow with the very tiny volumes. That's, I think, when you have to be really careful, right? Because it's actually worse. I mean, I don't know if you guys noticed, but like, a lot of my worst trades are done when we got a tiny volumes. It's kind of weird. I've done a lot better overnight, but I don't know. Overnight, it's been pretty good overall, but Globex, it's been a little bit challenging, to be honest. And usually at this sort of in this sort of a price action where you get a tiny little volume kind of that's when I kind of get hurt as well. So that's when I get into a lot of silly trades, to be honest. Trying to force myself because there's no volume, right? So I guess I'm gonna have to stay a little patient and All right.
Order filled.
I'm gonna play a very tight range.
Order
All
filled.
right, guys. Looks like I could be passing this bad boy right now. Do not give me a little fake pullback here. I'm gonna get very upset if you do that. Do not. I say it again. Do not.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm long here. I'm long off that 672. But man, this is playing hard to get. I still do think we get a little bit of, just a little bit of a
Order
bounce,
filled.
guys. That could take
Order
us up
filled.
a little more, just a
Order
little more,
filled.
guys. All right, guys, I may be out on this. I may be out.
Order
All right.
filled.
Did I pass this count? I want to get another $50 just to kind of.
Order filled. Order filled.
I want just a little more, just in case. Maybe I did not hit my consistency. And while I was trying to get $20 extra, maybe I may be losing a couple $100. Ooh, StockTiger, you're amazing. Okay, so well, look for let's see if we get a little bounce. Looks like we fall apart. Oh, looks like we fall apart. That's right. That's no bueno. Oh, this is trade day. I want to get this thing over with, to be honest, right now. Gold got crushed? Really? Let's take a look at the gold. Well, yes, it did crash. Yeah, 41. So the market's kind of expecting a lower inflation story as we get closer and closer towards the end of the year, which also kind of reduces the risk of rate hikes, right? That I think the market's kind of baked in rate hikes for latter half this year. And if this inflation story is kind of fading, then there's no rate hike. But the market's already baked in a rate hike, so it is kind of bullish for the market. And now you're seeing that gold, the reflection in gold, where the gold is kind of pulling back, including the silver, in front of that inflation kind of fading away. And the Fed was not necessarily that hawkish as what the Wall Street kind of expected. So And on top of that, you got an inflation kind of cooling off, and that kind of helps the overall market, right? There is, yeah, we'll see. What's up? What's up, Kazumax? What's up, James? What is going on, brother? Poke, NQ, what's up? Crucial, DMB, Barona, Bullhead, Search and So, everybody, welcome, guys. Great to see you guys again. Now, the market's pulling back, and I'm down. Like, look at this story. Incredible. I mean, at the end of the day, these are all fundamental stories that it is nice to know, but you know, it's always nice to kind of try to focus on the technicals as a micro scalper. But anyways, we're getting a pullback. We're getting a pullback here. I wonder if we are gonna try to get a pullback before we try to get a bounce. Possible.
Order filled.
바보처럼 울고 있는 너의 모습.
Order filled. Order filled.
울고 있는 상처만. Come on, let's just get up there. Let's get it up there, guys. Getting tired of this now. Oh, by the way, I've got this other account. What's this? Oh, I'm still down. Crazy. Looking for a couple bucks. I ended up being down about $100. We're barely back to break even here. Barely. I'm still holding on to this, guys, right now. Looking for the bounce back
Order
into the
filled.
680s. And then goes.
Order filled.
Crazy, man. How hard can this be to even make like 20 bucks? God, to make 100 bucks is just, well, forget about 100 bucks. I mean, even to make 10 bucks, trying to make 10 bucks, I'm always down like 100. Crazy sometimes. This honestly does not look too bullish at all at the moment. Okay. All right, I'm out of this
Order
trade, guys.
filled.
I'm out of this trade. I'm getting tired. Okay, I'm out,
Order
guys. I'm tired
filled.
of this. Oh my god. Are you kidding me right now? I mean, honestly, yeah. I mean, half days are usually slower, right? I mean, I understand that, but I mean, I did not. This is probably one of the worst days. I think it's been like the worst days. Yeah, exactly, James Game. That's what I'm kind of thinking right now. We could see a flush now that we're not able to hold this. But be careful, though. Be careful. So you know what I'm going to try to do, though, is that I'm going to try to use this level. Where I'm going to try to use this level here. Use this level here. And then use this level and this level here to be the area of resistance and the area of support. And I'm going to try to long from here and try to short from here. You see, I was kind of messing around in this range here, which is, I think, a little bit of a mistake. So I'm gonna try to use this, right? Use this and right, simple, and use this. Okay. Now, if the market does not want to do come back down or get back into that area, then it's fine. It is what it is. Tiger, can you explain how do you overnight swing? I mean, there's nothing complicated. There's no like a secret sauce in doing the swing trading overnight. All I did was I got into a short trade with the smaller size to test the water and the overall trend, right? So I mean, this is what it is, right? I mean, honestly, I'm not the best guy at this, but I mean, I'll try to make it nice and simple. So I mean, see, you see the market, it's overall trending down, you know, but I may be getting into a trade from this area. It may be pretty oversold. So what I try to do is I scale into one micro right here, one MNQ, right? And as when I'm down, so as when my PNL shows negative, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to scale in. And by the time it's said and done, I may be up to 10 micros. And I'm holding on to that for maybe a couple hours. And by the time I come back onto my desk, the market may be down already here. Then I'm trying to scale out. So down to 9, down to 8, down to 7, down to 6, down to 5, down to 4. And then I leave like 2 micro NQ and place my limit order somewhere down here. And then at some point, I'm assuming at some point it's going to pull back. And then at some point we try to get a bounce, right? So this is what I try to do on a trending day like that, right? It's trending down, right? But I don't try to go all in like 10 micro at one single go. I go in with 1 micro and then kind of scale into my trade as when I'm kind of down. And of course, we obviously should not try to break out of this trend, because if you try to break out of this little trend line here, then that's a sign of reversal, and that's a problem, right? It's risky because you're kind of there is that risk of headlines too, right? Overnight and Globex has a big risk of headlines, right? Because you get this very tiny volume, so the market's kind of very fragile. And the market's fragile, tiny volume. As soon as you try to get some sort of a headline coming out from anywhere around the world, and that's what it's all about during the Globex and overnight. Any news that's gonna pop the market or tank the market down, right? And that's why a lot of traders do not like getting into some serious trading, you know, during the Globex, and that's part of the reason why, right? That's why I like to start smaller size and then kind of scale into my trade. Anyways, Team Chang in the house, what's up? Oh, Dude 45 is here as well. Let's go. All right, so the market's still very slow. My God. All right, so here honestly, I have no idea what this market is going to try to do. I would love to see some extended move. So if we try to pull back here, come down to the VWAP, I'm going to try to long. I like short idea here, but you could also get a nice little pop to the upside as well. So guys, I'm going to try to short here. I'm going to try to short on a pop. Okay, any given bounce here, I'm going to try to short.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going to look for that pullback into 650s and 640s.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't like my entry, I'll be honest, but
Order filled.
I'll still hold it. We'll see how it kind of plays out.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, this could be the moment. We either break it to the upside or give us a little pullback here down into the 650s. I'll try to take my chances here, guys. I mean, the risk reward is, well, it's kind of 50-50 really at this point, but battle at the trail line. That's right. I mean, it's probably, I mean, are we gonna try to rip through the upside here? We have a possible rebound, but I'm kind of thinking we may try to grab some more liquidity down into the 650s or maybe down to the 630s before we start to get a bounce. I think the market's may try to want to fake out before we try to reverse, right? So overall, the structure is still leaning more to the upside, right? We got a beautiful bounce off that 400 area overnight. That's a beautiful bounce. We literally had about and that's a huge one. Overnight was crazy, guys. We had a 400 points pullback and 250 points bounce overnight. I would say that would be the London session, if you will. Or maybe not, I'm not sure. And then it's a huge swings overnight just itself, guys. 12 hours. Wow. Overnight was absolutely crazy. And here we are here. We're kind of chopping. This is worse than, much worse than Globex and overnight, guys. Overnight was absolutely a monster. What a crazy overnight swings, guys. Man, this market has absolutely no tolerance, not giving us any sort of a meaningful extended move in either direction. Kind of feels like we are leaning more to the upside now. Crazy. Market algos, yeah. So I mean, as long as we stay in this range, I'll be okay with it. But I mean, if we end up getting a bounce and squeezy bounce, then I'm gonna have to be very disappointed, and I'm gonna get mad at EL7 Trader for doing that, for moving this algo. What PROPFIRM are you trading? I'm trading trade day right now. I'm trying to finish this thing off today itself, but man, I mean, how would you be able to do what do you think it's going to when the market's kind of wonky? 10 points range, not even a 10 points range, I would say. This is easily, well, it is a 10 15 points maybe. Crazy though. Crazy price action, everybody. Well, nothing much I can do, right? Nothing much. All right, so let's see if we get a pullback and you know, put a little smile on my face, maybe, or maybe not. Oh my god. I'm still holding as we speak. Trying to see what I can do. Okay. See, oh my god, you've got to be kidding, guys. Annoying. I mean, this is what it is, right? This is what you get sometimes. Are we gonna get a ripper? We have a chance of doing that for sure. Now we're trying to break out, but I don't want to get faked either, right? So am I nervous? Well, not really, but it's gonna kind of suck to be in red, of course, after working so hard to get something going. I don't want to keep adding. I already have 12 contracts. It looks like I got some field as well, as when this market was pulling back. I think I got some field. I need to see this thing break underneath the 650, guys. I really do. And if we can do that, it's gonna be amazing. It's having a little bit of a tough time to do that, so we're still holding this EMAs too, and we have a good chance for bounce. Yeah, I agree. Do I get out of this trade? And I'll try to hold on to this, guys. We'll see how it goes. If you see me crying, you guys know what happened. foreign investors are increasingly driving the South Korean market. Investors from overseas, new accounts for the record 38% of the Kospi's market cap. Really? I didn't realize that. Foreign investors, I mean, why would they even want to be in Kospi when we've got a beautiful NASDAQ here in North America? Well, the biggest and the largest. I wouldn't even, like, even if I have a choice, obviously I do, to try to get into Kospi, which is obviously the Korean market, but I would not want to, I'm not interested at all. I would probably just, North American is probably the best. I wouldn't want to go anywhere else. I mean, I do have a little bit of an Indian ETF for the Indian market overall. So I'm kind of expecting a nice little beautiful growth story in Indian market, like long term. But really, other than that, I'm in nowhere. I used to do a bit of a Chinese stocks, like Alibaba and those what do you call this, social media stocks, and I forgot the name of all those. I was even trading Neo. I don't know if you guys remember Neo, but that was many years ago. I think it was like 4 or 5 years ago, guys. But I kind of stopped trading Chinese stocks as well. Just kind of sticking to what I know best. The U.S. equities, I probably would be the best one to kind of just stick to. I'm surprised that we have a lot of people moving into the Kospi. That really does surprise me a little bit, but I don't know. It's kind of weird. 5,000 in QQQ calls actually came back. Oh my god, nice. My favorite AI. Look at that, hey. You are slaying. Guys, man, do we get a bounce in the market? It does kind of feel like, we're getting into a little bit of a squeezy mode. It kind of feels like the stops may be getting triggered pretty soon here, unless we get a rejection of this level, guys. I may be in a little trouble here on this bad boy. Man, can this get any more annoying, to be honest? We're getting a nice little bull flag on a 30-minute chart as well. I may have to get out of this trade right now if this is how it's going to be. Or maybe I try to add. Well, I'm already at 12 micro, so I don't know. God, I hate this sometimes, guys. We could be back into 700 area by the time it's said and done. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit that trade. I'm down about $300. I mean, oh well, fuck. What can I do, right? What can I do? And now if I try to long this, it's going to get a reverse. Of course. Of course. Of course. I should be trading. Yeah, I should be trading. Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure what this market's gonna try to do, but does look a little squeezy to me. Does look a little squeezy to me. On a 30-minute chart, it looks like a bull flag kind of forming here, right? So I do see a little bit of a bull flag kind of forming here. At least take us back into 695 maybe, or a 690 area. Could be the spot where we try to get a balance. I mean, if we end up pulling back all the way down to 650 right now, I'm gonna get absolutely mad. 불꽃처럼 울고 있는 너의 모습. Are you really kidding me? Is this actually going to end up pulling back here down? Like, oh. You know, I don't even want to be looking at this chart, guys. It's mind-boggling now.
Order filled.
Is anybody trading this morning? Or maybe not. No strength, EL7 trader, man. Looks to be respecting that. That's why I think the down or ranging at the moment anyways. Sira Fix, what's up? Holiday Action No Bueno. Gaming trader, man. Yeah, man. I think that's what it's gonna try to do. No bueno, no pasa nada at all. But you know what? I was short. If this ends up pulling back here to where my entry was earlier, I'm gonna get really mad. So apparently, this is where my entry, where my stop is right now. That's where I entered earlier. This market has been pretty wild. Actually, you know what? That's crazy, guys, crazy.
Order filled.
Overall, still bullish, right? Overall, still bullish, guys. I think. The US Open is going on, man. We are jam-packed with a lot of fun stuff over the weekend. A lot of soccer games, lots of... We got US Open golf, too. Oh, my God. That's going to be huge. We're going to see how that thing kind of plays out. But, man... If you're a golfer, then yeah, US Open definitely is the one to be watching over the weekend. You've been getting into the house plants lately. What do you mean, my favorite AI? Guys, one second. I'm going to do my first giveaway as promised, right? We're gonna have to go in and do our first giveaway, guys, and I thank you for your patience to all of you. Right, so we're gonna do our first giveaway. We're gonna do the Take Profit Trader 50K account, guys. All right, I'm gonna close the entries as well, guys, for you. It's all for you. I'm gonna close the entries. Oh shit! One second. Ah! No! No! Don't pull back, please. Don't pull back. No pull back. No pullback, please. No. I don't want to be looking at the market anymore. Don't give me that little pullback. I'm okay with what it is for now. Well, let's go. Let's see if we get a nice little pop in the market, guys. To the upside. I am long. That's right. I am long. Well, finally we're getting some sort of a balance, man. Look at that mochaccino. Jeez, finally getting something now. Crazy,
Order
crazy.
filled.
Crazy to say the least. Wow. We're up. All right, I'm also trading Fund the Futures Network on the sideline right now on the other screen, so I'm gonna exit that trade as well. We'll try to look for something else. Okay, so I'm still down quite a lot, so am I happy about this? Absolutely not, sir. I am not happy. What I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to short on this little. Oh man, but you know what? The 30 minutes chart's kind of bullish, right? 30 minutes chart's kind of bullish, guys. I'm gonna close the entries. And by the way, do we have a winner yesterday? The winner yesterday, who was it again? Did we do a giveaway last night, guys, or did I not? Did I not do that? Hold on a second. Oh, I think we do. Yeah,
Order
we do.
filled.
Yeah, we had profit per tick, winner of our giveaway last night. Profit per tick. Let's take a look and see. Profit per tick. So that's 50k account. That's right. Partner. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so this is going to be our giveaway, guys. I'm gonna close the entries, all right, and I'm gonna call the winner, guys. If your name is called, right, and if you confirm to me that you are here with us within 45 seconds, then I'm gonna have to have you DM me on Discord right away. I'm not gonna take it over the weekend, right? So we're gonna have to finish that off right away. Okay, so just make sure to DM me. Please take a few seconds, few minutes of your time to talk to me on Discord, right? So I can go ahead and take care of your account, right? I'm not going to take it over the weekend. So, all right, we're gonna pick the winner here, guys. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are part of this giveaway, this is gonna be our first giveaway of the day. Oh, let's go, guys. I'm gonna pick the winner. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Andrew Trades. 45 seconds, brother. Andrew Trades. Tell me, Andrew Trades, you are here with us. Andrew Trades, our YouTube member. I hope you are here. Is he here? Let's go. Andrew Trades, bro. Please DM me right away. First giveaway goes to Andrew Trades. And the market got a little excited. The market's pumping here into the 700 area, guys. We just literally kissed 700. Well, let's go. Sorry, the timer. Shut up, timer. All right. That's closed. All right, so we're back here again. We're gonna do another one, which would be, let's take a look and see what I have, what I can do. Guys, we're gonna do a big one. We're gonna do Lucid 50k accounta. And again, today, if you won once, you can also win twice, okay? There's no limitations to how many you can win. In this channel, you have a chance to win all or nothing. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and do 50k Lucid account, guys. Like I said again, I mean, I had to do this because, guys, we promised. We promised. We always promise. Yesterday, Korea lost to Mexico. So I was praying hard for Korea to win, but we lost. So I love Mexico, by the way. I love Mexico. Let's make no mistake about that. So all my Mexican fellow traders in the house, congrats to Mexico for winning against Korea. You guys well deserved, man. You guys well deserved. You guys killed. What a beautiful stadium. What a beautiful stadium. A lot of beautiful people out there. And congrats to Mexico for winning the game against Korea and getting into the round 32 official. So once again, guys, let's go ahead and do the second giveaway. Right? We're gonna have to show some love though now, right? We gotta elevate our love, right? We're gonna have to elevate our love a little bit. So we will call out the winner at about 200 likes. Okay, so let's try to see if we can get up to 200 likes right away, so we can go ahead and do our second giveaway of the day. Okay, so this is going to be Lucid 50k account, guys. Show some love and let's get it done right now. All right, in the meantime, I'm gonna try to see if I can actually get into some trades as well. Okay, so we are getting a little pullback here. Yeah, you're right, EL7 trade. At the end of the day, who cares who win? Mexico, China, Korea, Jamaica, Cuba. Nobody cares. All we care is getting into a lot of winning trades and getting a lot of payouts. That's really what it matters at the end of the day, right? For us, we as a day trader, we as a micro scalpers, let's go, guys. A PROPFIRM traders, we're here to make some monies, and that's what it counts. That's what it matters. Oh, is that you, Qualude? Hold on one second. Oh, hold on one second. I didn't know that's you. Andrew, is that you? Qualude, is that you? Can you confirm, Andrew? I just want to make sure I'm talking to the right person. Oh, okay, so that's you. Okay, all right. So 1 second. I didn't know. Quite lewd. Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, not a good joke. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, my jokes are terrible lately. Well, it's never any better, but just saying. My Discord links, guys, man, I'm sorry. How the hell do we fix Discord link? Man, I'm telling my Discord to not change the password. Sorry, not the password, the link. And yet, it keeps changing every freaking time. The invite link expires in 7 days. I'm telling to not change. Never change. Guys, watch. I'm gonna put it out there 1 second. All right. It says it will never change. Watch. Your invite link will never expire. Okay, this is what it said. But it keeps changing every 7 days, man. How the hell do you change this, guys? How? How? All right, back into trading, guys. 1 second. I forgot. Oh, there we go. My Discord link is right there, guys. My Discord link right there, everybody. It's really annoying. Guys, looks like we're getting a bounce in the market, everybody. What do you guys see? Okay, in the meantime, did Kuala Lumpur, Kuala, or there we go. Okay, so I've requested for the credit, so you should be able to get it. Okay, so guys, my Discord link I've already shared. What am I looking at right now? My Discord link, I'll share it again. Okay. There it goes, the Disco link, and the market trying to get a balance. I need a solid balance right now, to be honest. It looks like we may be tapping into 710. It'll be nice to see a little bounce into that area. I mean, do I expect to see a massive grind that could maybe take us back into 850? It is possible. I don't know if that's what it's gonna try to do today, though. We need a solid volume to try to take us all the way up into that level, right? So. All right, we're going to go ahead and do another giveaway, guys. And this is going to be Apex account giveaway. All right. Oh no, hold on. This is not what it is. So we said listed. Sorry, we said listed. Oh, listed is ongoing. Man, I'm sorry, guys. Listed is ongoing. I'm getting confused. Is this our third one right now? I don't know. I have no idea. Anyways, who cares? I'm confused as hell. But anyways, we'll go ahead and do what's in front of us. We got a listed 50k flex, so let's go ahead and do this right now. Guys, we need to see some love, guys. Let's try to see if we can get to another 30 likes right now, guys, right off the bat. Try to show some love, guys. If you are new here, just so you know, we go live every night at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, and we also go live in the mornings to time, at least twice a week, just like the way it sits, just like the way it is right now. We go live in the mornings too, at usually at 10:30 a.m. in the morning Eastern time. Today I came in a little early, but we try to go live as much as we possibly could in the mornings too. But every night we go live 5:30 Globex, guys. We'd love to see you guys there. If you guys are new, do not forget to hit that notification bell to always get notified every time StockTiger goes live. All right, and guys, let's try to see if we can get 30 more likes right away, right at the bat, so we can go ahead and do our Lucid 50k account giveaway. This is our third giveaway of the day. Let's try to see if we can get it right now, guys, and we'll go ahead and do a beautiful Lucid. It's a 50k account, and today is special because we lost. Korea lost to Mexico, and we promised, as promised, guys. All right, as promised, we said we're gonna go ahead and do a lot of giveaways here today, this morning. So we are here right now. Let's try to have some fun. And the market's kind of a little slow, but it's grinding to the upside, as we kind of expected. Luckily, I did not try to hold this to the short side. Instead, I went long, but I will go 1 micro, man. Not a happy camper right now. Not a happy camper, absolutely. Yeah, that gold. Oh man. But you're Jamaican. Well, I was born in Jamaica, but does not make me Jamaican, right? I was born in Jamaica. Then immediately on my first year I was born, I moved to Cuba. And my second year, I moved to Korea. So all right, not a great joke, sorry guys. Okay, I would like to add some more. I would like to add some more. I mean, well, man, it's always great. Like, I don't know if you guys noticed, but when you're on a very tiny small size, you always find a perfect entry. You always find perfect entry every time you are in a smaller size. You see, I can hold on to like 1,000 points gain, 1,000 points trade when I'm always in 1 micro. I don't know if you guys noticed that. And I'm pretty sure you guys are doing the same thing too. If you're on 1 micro, you can be in a trade and you're up like 1,000 points. There was many times I'm in 1 micro and I'm up like $1,000. And I'm kind of going, okay, well, I wish I had 10 micro because that would have been 10 grand. Oh, and by the way, let me see if I can actually trade funded next. Let me see, because I think they changed. Oh, you could trade funded next. Oh, by the way, guys, I sent you guys a little notice this morning saying the funded next made a little mistake. They kind of got a little confused because I think their head office is somewhere in the Middle East, right? So they kind of got a little mixed up with the timing. So they kind of shut down everything. Did not allow you to trade, but they got it fixed. You can trade now until the close, early close, right? So until 1 o'clock in the morning. Sorry, 1 o'clock Eastern time. Guys, don't forget, Apex is 90% off. Still ongoing as we speak. Apex 90% off. That's gonna get you $19 on all of your 50k trading drawdown accounts. And if you want to go with no activation, it's $769 if you buy 5 accounts at a time. And then trade day is still 50% off right now. Trade day 50%. Take profit trader 40%. Listed is 50%. If you have not used up your vault, then it is still 50%. And guys, remember, StockTiger will be able to trade live. Sorry, not live, but will be able to trade Lucid accounts back again next week, guys. Oh, back again, trading Lucid accounts on a stimulation. That's gonna be amazing. So can't wait to. I cannot wait to be back with Lucid accounts, guys. It is going to be an absolutely amazing journey yet again. Back with the Lucid. Let us go. All right. So what this market is going to try to do here. Are we going to get a pullback here into the 7? It looks like a maybe a possible grind all throughout the day until the close, maybe. Guys, if you guys want to support the channel, these are things you can do as well. Try to share the stream with everybody else. If you guys are enjoying what you guys see, smack the like every time, right? That truly means the world. And I thank you guys, to all of you, all my supporters in this channel right now. And here we go. We are getting a little pullback here. So we've got, I would say we got about 12 more. No, we got another an hour. We got another hour, about an hour and a half to go, guys. And that's, well, the market's going to close in about an hour and a half. So we don't really have a lot of time. Yeah, the market's going to close in about an hour and a half. Well, I mean, if the fund didn't next shut it down, like I think yesterday, not yesterday, I think 2 days ago, that kind of wrecked my possibility of getting into another payout. So I've got 2 days to go on one of my fundeds, and let's take a look and see what we have here. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do, guys. This market is definitely a little tricky, and I don't want to. I'm not in a mood to try to rack any of my accounts. I'm just not in that position at the moment. I do not want to be doing that, so. All right, I'm going to try to long on a pullback here, guys. That's what I'm going to try to do. All right, so we are finally getting that rejection off that 700 area. This could be a chance for me to try to hop on a long. Or what again? I'm not sure. Damn, guys. It's tricky. This whole thing is just a little tricky because it's just so choppy. I think it's just the algo is kind of moving. It's not even trading. Nobody's really trading at this point, I think. Crazy. I traded Funded Futures Network accounts, so I'm done with that. I'm done with that. I've got to trade some. I've got to trade my Funded Next as well. Try to pass those some evals that I have as well too. But I don't know if this market's gonna give me a chance to do that. I wish the market was just a little more volatile. I mean, if I knew this is what it's gonna be here today, then I would have maybe not slept last night and tried to trade this whole move, because last night was crazy, guys. Look at this. This is all last night. This is last night. Down 500 points and up 300 points. What we are getting right now just really feels weird, because you lost your final My Funded Futures Network. Rapid, you're back in the evals. Oh, Warful, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, brother, man. That really sucks to kind of lose your funded account like that. Yeah, Warful, hey, bro. You know what? Cheer up, man. Cheer up. You know you can do this, right? You know. You lost one account. Do not feel too bad about it, right? I've lost one account. I lost 2 accounts. I've lost tons of accounts. And I'm not even talking about evals. I'm talking about funded accounts. And that's well above the buffer. I've lost those accounts too myself, right? I know how it feels, but we're going to have to move on, right? But I hope. Oh, bro, worth a while. You've already got $11,000, guys. I mean, come on, worth a while. Come on, don't even talk to me about it. You got 11K. You lost your rapid. I mean, that's cool, man. What an ROI. And that definitely pays for your labor too, for sure. Crazy. Awesome. Yeah. Let it go. It's time to put that rapid to bed for sure. All right, so what are we gonna try to do here? Are we gonna try to get a pullback here or what? I wonder what this market is gonna do. Maybe we'll try to look for one last attempt to. I'm surprised that we're not actually getting a pullback here today. You got 3 hours of sleep last night because you stayed up trading London. Wow, Andrew, man, well, you got the best price action last night for sure. The London session was definitely the huge one. Crazy. You was expecting price action to be tricky today, so wanted to get. Oh yeah, that was definitely a good idea, Andrew. Good job. Good job, man. You guys know. Happy for you guys. Somebody asked me about Apex. I cannot remember exactly. Oh, Fantastic Wilson. Is Apex 5-pack account worth it? I need to pass 5 accounts in 30 days. How can I trade 5 accounts in one day? I mean, you can trade 5 accounts in one day by copy trading. But I trade 1 account at a time, even though it's Evals. That's what I try to do. And it is definitely worth it. It's $19 for 5-pack. And then the activation is $79. But if you want to go with no activation, your 50K account, you're paying $69. So you're $10 cheaper. But what is the likelihood of passing all of your accounts in one go, right? It's very low, the probability. And that's why if somebody asks me, I don't tell them what to do, but I mean, if it's me, I'm gonna go with the evals first, the cheapo $19 evals, and trade 1 account at a time, and and try to pass. I wouldn't mind paying extra $10 for an activation, really. Work for a while, getting some TPTs. Let's go. Oh, so we are getting a little bounce. Wow, pretty choppy here though. Pretty choppy. Yeah, I'm trying to trade. I'm trying to see if I can get something going here, but I don't know. I'm gonna try to long here. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to long here with 3 mini contracts on my DT account. All right, so that's me trading DT, and maybe I should take a little slow here today. I mean, even though as much as I would love to trade some accounts to try to pass, but maybe better off I kind of slow down, because if this is the kind of a price action we're gonna get, I might as well just try to take it slow. We're not getting any sort of price action. I mean, I was definitely expecting a little better one than this, but we're just not there right now, so might as well kind of hold off. A little bit of a change in my strategy for coming into this morning. Would have been nice if we had a better one. Okay, so what am I looking at? We are going to get a balance. As much as kind of looks like we are going to end up getting a pullback, I'm gonna try maybe try to long.
Order filled.
We'll see if we can take it up all the way into this. Okay, so I'm still kind of waiting here. Wow, man, this chop is unreal, guys. This chop is unreal. I may get smoked at some point if this is how it's gonna be. Crazy, guys. Let's take a look at the chat. What is the platform you're trading on the left hand side? Michael trades. I'm using Quant Tower right now. I'm using Quant Tower to trade. Very tight stops, crucial DMB. Volume is incredibly low. Yeah, I mean, it's not even low. It's incredibly dead. I think that's what it is. $44 Punisher in the house. What's up? What's up, brother? Crazy price action, man. Crazy. Lots of volatility here, guys. We're getting 1,000 points up and down this morning. We still have about, I would say, yeah, we still have about an hour and a half, right? But I mean, come on, this is unreal though.
Order filled.
Oh. Oh. Wow, guys, we are getting some sort of action here right now. It is moving. My orders are getting triggered. All right, I'm gonna move my stop to break even here. Oh, let's go. Booyah. I am here to make you some monies. Let's go. Well, I guess I got a little too excited too soon. We're getting a pullback. It's a weird, man. This is absolutely weird price action here right now, guys. Incredible. Incredible frappuccino. That's crazy. Crazy price action. Let me just take it off on this. We'll take it off. Well, let's try to move back to the other stuff. All right, so we're up. We're up. So July 4th, deals on July 4th. I'm not sure. That's still way. Oh,
Order filled. Order filled.
guys, what is this we're getting right now? Man, well, guess what I did? I added. Guess what I did? I added, guys. What are we gonna try to do here now? StockTiger added, of course. I went long, baby. Give me baby one more time. All right. Yeah, we got a lot of tickets right now. We are pretty close, guys. I'm gonna close the interest here in a few minutes, so we can go ahead and do our listed account giveaway.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna try to long on a pullback here. I'm gonna constantly try to long on a pullback here, guys. So I'm gonna try to do. Guys, don't forget to type in exclamation tiger. Again, I am going to close the interest here pretty soon. So go ahead and do that. And guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys are enjoying what you guys see. And also, if you guys want to support the channel, as always, you can share the stream with everybody else, fellow traders. Smack the like, guys, as always. And make sure to hit that notification bell, as always, to always get notified every time I go live during the Globex and in the mornings as well, guys. And here I am. I'm trying to long on a pullback and looking for that, let's say, a little pullback here that could maybe kind of take us down here into 650s and we get a rebound.
Order filled. Order filled.
I hope this isn't gonna ruin my day. If it's gonna be an all-day kind of a pullback here today, then yeah, I'll be in trouble for sure. At some point we said, okay, well, we're gonna, well, so 670 here right now. I'm gonna try to add you know, on a pullback here into this level. That's the EMA support into the 650s, and then see how this thing kind of goes from there, guys. It's hard to say where it's gonna go. I mean, there's too much of algo trading here at the moment, so it's hard to say. Am I concerned about this? Well, not really, but I mean, still down, right? So it's always better to be green before the end of the day.
Order filled.
So getting a pullback, man, finally be getting that pullback. This could be a flush down, man. I could be dead wrong on this. Okay. So we got a little support here at 650 area. If that rejects, then we probably pull back into 630 and then back into the VWAP's at 600 area. So we got that's 60 points away. So hopefully I'm not putting myself in a deep
Order filled.
Oh my god. That was exactly the kind of a pullback I was looking for, of course.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I'll exit that trade.
Order
I'll exit
filled.
that trade, guys. I'll exit that trade. I kind of feel like I kind of messed up on that, so maybe a good idea. I'm learning to cut it loose.
Order filled.
I went short instead, guys. We'll see if we can actually get that little follow through. Hopefully this isn't gonna put me in a weird spot. I mean, you can only have 3 trade day funded accounts anyways, so something goes wrong here, well, it kind of sucks, but I'm gonna have to live with it. Oh, there's a game today, USA versus Australia. Man, I'm gonna watch that for sure. Man, we are getting some sort of volatility here now, kind of stepping in. I'm trying to short. Take a little stab, guys. A bit of a risk here. Trying to see if I can actually short on a little bounce attempt. Yeah, these are all evals. Yep. I'm not sure what to do here at this point. Maybe I'll leave one and maybe see if we pull back into 600s. Maybe, I don't know. Or maybe this could be the double top. Maybe. I wish I knew this is the double top. If that's what it is, then maybe I could have do we get a bounce? I mean, possible. If we go all the way back to where we started, man, I'm just gonna be like, wow, man, I'm just gonna call it there. I'm just gonna call it there, of course. It's gonna be embarrassing to see ourselves kind of get back into that level. Crazy, guys. We got this level. Ultimately, maybe we try to kiss that level, maybe back down. Maybe we try to do that. You know, kind of do this. Ultimately come down to this 630. Now, I don't want to go too overly aggressive because now I've got one mini contracts right now, but if I try to... If we get a rebound, I mean, honestly, it's the algo. There's really nothing much I can do at this point. Okay, well, now it's kind of dead after making this big, massive move. Leg 2, yeah, that's what I'm kind of thinking, but I could be wrong. You know, I mean, too much of algo up and downs, right? So this could be the short-term bottom. You know, day shorts. So who knows what this market is going to do? But I mean, maybe I should just try to cut it loose here. Maybe better idea.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna full port. Oh.
Order filled. Order filled.
One more push, guys. One more push. Let's see if we get it right now. One more push is all we need. to get this going. But obviously the market's gonna want to get a bounce because I am short, trying to look for that little leg to the downside. Of course, market's not gonna give it to me, of course, right? We know that. We are very familiar. Yeah, man, I had some really incredible trades with a lot of Apex funded accounts that I hit DLL. I'm back to green overall, above the threshold. So it's looking. Oh my god, look at that bounce, guys. Ah, my god. All right, looks like a bounce or what? It doesn't want to give it to me, I guess. It does not. Apparently not. The risk reward was not there. I was looking for that measured move down that could take us down into the 630, but we'll see if that kind of plays out.
Order filled.
I went in again. I've got 3 contracts now. That's a lot of risk, I'll be honest. If we end up getting a bounce here, well, that's gonna really suck, of course. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, guys. Wow. Horrible. This is gonna go down with it. I cannot believe this. Oh well. Looks like it's gonna go. That's gonna really suck, but shit. Okay, I'm gonna add one more. Can I add 5? Oh shit, I can add 5. I didn't realize I could add 5. Man, this is gonna go now. Oh. No, I think it's gonna go. Yeah. Let's go ahead and do our giveaway, guys. I think this is gonna go, man. It's so sad. Really unfortunate. I cannot believe this, guys. I destroyed 2 Evals, which is almost pretty close to passing yesterday and today, this morning. Very annoyed, guys. Very annoyed with this price action to begin with. And I've been trading this. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. But it's okay, guys. We had some really good trades with the funded accounts. So overall, very, very green. But just don't like the fact that I'm just letting it go with, you know. The risk management was absolutely not there in this Evals. Was absolutely not there. So kind of very disappointed at myself for doing that, to be honest. But overall, very green. Overall, very green. Grateful. I showed you guys the Apex accounts earlier. I did really well on those. Green on all my Billinox funded accounts, and day trader also green. But 2 blown Evals. Last night I blew one. I cannot remember which account it was. Last night I blew one. I don't know. I think it was Tradify Eval, and this morning I blew trade day.
Filled.
I don't understand. Fuck, man. Look at this price action. This fucking thing. Oh, fuck, swear to God. I mean, the market would not even give you that little pullback, right? Crazy. This is what it's all about. This is what this market does all the fucking time. Yeah, I'm mad. I'm mad. I'm mad for fucking doing this. 2 Evals pretty close to passing. I had to do it. I had to do it, guys. I had to be so stupid sometimes, and this is how it is. Okay, so let's try to see if I can actually pass the rest while I'm doing here. While I'm being here. Crazy stuff. Wow, man, that's... Oh, God.
Order filled.
So last night Tradify was also going. That was an eval too. Same idea as what I did this morning. What? Ah. All right, looks
Order
like I passed
filled.
that. We'll try to see if I can pass the rest.
Order filled.
Yeah, there's literally zero volume right now. Zero volume. No, I think it closes in yeah, it closes in about an hour. So we still have about an hour, guys, to trade. But I mean, nobody's trading apparently. The market is literally dead, so oh, am I the only one moving this market right now? Did 45. Angry Bird, StockTiger, Angry Bird. Yeah. No sneakers, guys. I gotta get down my sugar levels. My sugar levels are high, even though I'm only 17. That's crazy. If you really think about it. Maybe I'm kind of forcing myself. I mean, the market's not there at all, right? There's nothing there at the moment to kind of really trade up with. It's not doing anything. And maybe I'm just trying to get something out of this market. God, man, I mean, that bounce was just really crazy, though. Literally nothing at the moment. Yeah, it's 1 p.m. it closes, so looks like it's not moving. Are we gonna be within this channel? Maybe. Yeah, I don't think I can be trading this. Maybe might as well just not trade because that was a pretty nasty a waste of an account. Whoa, look at that. Look at that wick, guys. Look at that wick. What? We got to bounce again? I cannot trade this anymore. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I can trade this at all. Like this is horrible. Like this is not even Globex anymore at this point. This is like saying the market's closed now. The market's closed. Maybe it's a kind of a mistake for me to try to pass a few accounts today. The same thing as my Tradify. I tried to pass that last night, but again, the market's not there. The market's not giving it to you, and you're trying to force yourself to try to get something going. And that's when I think you start to get hurt. Better to just kind of stay away, and that's exactly what I'm going to try to do now. You know, too bad. You know, at least I tried, but I mean, not the right time to be doing that, unfortunately. But I did it again, regardless. Let's see if I can get this going. Let's see if I can pass this one right here. I already passed one. Try to see if we can do this. Come on, man. Just give me that little pump. Or a little dump, sorry. Give me that 60-80 area, man. Can we try to do that? We already had this conversation. We already agreed. We already agreed to pull back into 60-80. We already agreed. And you were okay with it. Alright, I'm going to move my stop to break even here just in case, right? Just in case we get this little pop like crazy. Expecting unexpected. Yeah, that's right. on, man. Just give me that little more flush. All right, I guess I'm gonna have to just maybe try to take it right here. I mean, have to. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'll just take it right there, guys. I'll take it right there and try to go long. Try to go long here. And okay, so I went long here, placing my limit orders right up into the 683. Well, my stop's gonna be here at 675. Okay, we'll try to pass, guys. We'll try to pass this bad boy. I cannot let it go after getting destroyed on the other account. I cannot. I just can't. StockTiger is gonna try to pass all of them right now. Right now! Whoa! Godzilla! Okay, I'm gonna move my stop to break even here. Give me the little pop, guys. Give me that little pop. Just need that little pop into 685. Yeah, I've got my stop here at the break even. So break even stop. And gonna be looking for, well, let's just do it. Let's not try to be too greedy. 683. That's like 2 points away. So 2 points away. Let's forget it right now, guys. 2 points. If you're not gonna give me 2 points, I'm gonna get very mad at you. 2 points. Right? You see, it's exactly 2.25 cents. If you don't want to even give me 2 points, and instead, are we? Oh, maybe not. I don't know. It looks like I'm gonna get a pullback before we start to get a bounce. Is that what it is? Really? Am I gonna get stopped out right here? Really? Ooh! Oh!
Stop filled.
Again, I'm gonna try. Oh! Oh!
Order filled.
Another one, another try, guys.
Order filled.
Oh, not got filled, but yeah, the super spread, man. This is horrible, guys. Horrible. This is a lot of risk I'm taking right now. Man, good. I traded a bunch of my accounts overnight. That was crazy. Yeah, I know. Bullhead 77. I know, man. I know I shouldn't be trading, but I want to pass these accounts, though. You know what I mean? Can somebody talk to Trade Day and just tell them, hey, listen, it's only a few $100s. Let him pass. Poor kid. Poor kid. Are we gonna fail here? Are we gonna fall back here all the way down? Crazy stuff. All right, I'm gonna try to long here again. Looks like a little pullback. Nasty looking chart, by the way. Yeah, I know. It shut down for the day.
Order filled.
Guys, I got filled. Man. Limit order. Limit order. Hurry up. Limit order. Limit order. Fill my limit order. 2 points. Guys, looks dumpy, man. We just getting... Fuck, man. If I just held on to that fucking trade before. Smaller size. StockTiger would have been okay. Well, the market's dead though. I mean, now I'm looking for 2 points. Yeah, I cannot believe, guys. I've from 10 points, now I'm looking for 2 points, guys. Maybe I'm gonna have to call it here, guys. I don't want to make things any worse, honestly. I don't want to make this any worse, to be honest. I think we could pull back here. So we'll exit this trade right here, and then we'll go ahead and do our giveaway, and we'll call it a day, guys. All right, and then we'll have a great weekend. We got the games going. We got the U.S. Open golf. We got a soccer U.S. I hope you all have a great fun. I'm gonna close this, and we'll go to do our giveaway, guys. And then let's try to enjoy the weekend, refresh ourselves, come back on Sunday, and let's try to slay this market. We don't really have a lot of days anymore. We probably have about a week and a half, maybe a little less than that. I would say about 8 days for the month to be over, man. That's yeah, I don't know how this month actually even went. God, we can't even get a bounce. The market is literally dead. I think it's saying to just go F off. I think that's what this market is telling me to do. Absolutely dead, eh? Absolutely dead zone. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close the entries here. All right, or I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute to type in !Tiger, guys, to give yourself a chance to participate. 1 minute. Go ahead and type in !Tiger, everybody. Jeez, man, we're getting this is literally back to where it was. My entry was at 672, man. I just can't believe what I just did. This whole, oh my god, I got stopped out on that one. Well, fuck my god. Anyways, guys, I think I'm done with this. I don't think I can trade this anymore. We got oh well, it's okay. I'm not gonna trade my funded next. I don't want to make things any worse. Horrible price action, guys. Horrible, guys. All right, I'm gonna close the entries. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are here right now, I'm gonna put a timer on as well. 45 seconds. Let's go, guys. I'm gonna pick the winner. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys. Hot Cedar 163. 45 seconds. Hot Cedar. Is this the guy who it just kind of feels like the same person. All right, here you go. Oh, is this the same guy? Okay. Oh, okay, he's the same guy. Oh, okay. But hey, his name is here now, so he's the winner, unfortunately. Well, not unfortunately. It's good. Let's celebrate. This time it worked. There we go, guys. We got a winner of our listed account giveaway. Crazy. Is that a coincidence to have the name appear here again? But hey, let's not overcomplicate right? It's a great Friday. Let's end the day with a good note. Congrats to the winner, Hot Sitter. I'm gonna have to have you DM me so I can go ahead and take care of your account on Discord. And then to everybody, we'll see you guys back on a Sunday. Congrats to all of you if you guys did really well here today. If not, then we look for Sunday. Let's try to be back on Sunday. Do well. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you guys back again. Everyone, thank you so much for being here. As always, thank you so much, guys. Back again on Sunday. Restart. 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Until then, everybody, have a great rest of the day. Have a great weekend. And good luck to USA. And then we also have a US Open too. Wow. Crazy weekend. Have a lot of fun, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.